Hi, this video is a step-by-step guide on how to tune a violin. If your child is learning the violin, you will most likely need to learn how to tune for them. The first thing you need to know is that it's easy and anyone can do it. Now take a look at the strings from left to right. We have G, D, A and E string. If you look at the bottom, it runs through the bridge to the tailpiece. On the other end on top, it wounds around a peg, each string to its own peg. Recognize the pegs for each string as you would turn these pegs when you tune. Let's start. If you have a piano or keyboard, the G, D, A and E notes are right here. You can either refer to the piano or use a tuning app on your mobile device. We recommend the Simply Tuner app. I'll show you both ways. Check the A string first. It's flat, which means we need to tune it higher. When you tighten the string, the pitch will increase. This is physics. When you pluck the string, the tighter it is, the faster the vibration, the higher the pitch. So, slowly turn the peg until you hear the pitch matching the A note. If the peg is loose, push it inwards as you turn. If the pitch is almost there, use the fine tuner to get the accurate pitch. Turn it clockwise for a higher pitch or anti-clockwise for a lower pitch. When that's done, you do the same for D string, G string, and finally E string. When it's all in tune, here's how it sounds. That's it. This will be good enough to ensure your child is not playing on an out-of-tune violin. Thanks, and I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do share our videos with others. Bye!